In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset a remote from any TV you own. This might be helpful if your remote does not work or does not work properly. So it's very simple. The first step you need to do is to take out the battery from your remote. Just don't forget to take out both of them. Now, once both of them are out, you take your remote and find this power button. Now you want to press it and hold it, and keep it holding for around 1 to 2 minutes. So this is being done for any remaining battery that is still in your remote to be drained out of it. So I recommend holding it for up to 2 minutes. However, most of the time 1 minute is more than enough. So after 1 minute has passed, you take your batteries, you put them back in, and once they are back, try your remote on your TV and see if it works now. And I guarantee you that if there is no actual problems with your remote inside of the remote, any internal problems, then your remote is going to work. And if it's not the case, then I recommend reaching out to your manufacturer. If you found this video useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more useful guides and videos like this one.